Hello, everyone. I am here with a quick package opening, and this is something that I have been quite anxious to actually purchase for quite some time. So I went ahead and decided to do it while at work last night, and I'm about to get it open. So here I have two items, the Backyard Chronicles, and then this is the Backyard Chronicles postcards, and both by Amy Tan. I was so excited to see this little book. So while at work picking, because as I stated, I work at Amazon, I would see the book quite often, but I never really, and I knew I did take note of the book inside of my Kindle app because I was gonna purchase it as an ebook because sometimes I have so many books. I try to limit how many actual hard copy books I have. So my original intention was to purchase it as an ebook until I kind of did a slight flip through of the book while at work yesterday. And I was like, oh no, I have to have this one on hand. So that's what I'm going to do. And it's brand new. Spine really have to be cracked on here. So what I really liked about it was, for one, all of the illustrations, the handwritten pages, and if you can see, it's documented almost like a journal entry with the date on the pages. So I just thought that was fascinating. Love it, love it, love it. Look like I have a dog ear page. Yes, I do. I do not like dog ear pages. I should be able to get it out and on such a beautiful page at that. The illustrations are just amazing. They look like color pencil illustrations. And then it's all dated. It gives you information on each bird. So this was one I was going to get as a Kindle book because I've been really been enjoying reading on my through my Kindle app lately until I flipped through it. And I didn't have time to really flip through it, but I saw enough to know that I actually wanted to purchase it. And then these, I didn't even know these existed until I went to purchase this, and I saw this come up as a companion to the book. These are postcards, so these should be gorgeous. It's really a shame that we don't practice snail mail anymore because we have some of the most beautiful items for that. And it is what, 50? Yeah, 50 postcards. This is just so beautiful. I want to flip through all of them, but I'm going to skip a few. If anyone wants to flip through with every card, just let me know and I will take the time to sit down and flip through all of them. I'm seeing some stuff that I did see in the book. This is just beautiful. So yeah, I didn't want to take up too much of your time, but I did want to share this. And there is a dust jacket on this book, so let's see what it looks like under the dust jacket. Okay. This is the flexi bound cover, in case anyone wants to know, because I think it does come in a hardcover. Hardcover. This is flexi bound, and I know that there's the Kindle edition. So this is my package opening of the Backyard Chronicles by Amy Tan. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. So thank you so much for watching. Okay guys, this is me jumping in to say that I am fully aware that the title of the book is The Backyard Bird Chronicles. But for some reason, it's kind of washed out. But for some reason, I kept saying the Backyard Chronicles. In my excitement of opening it, I kept saying the Backyard Chronicles instead of the Backyard Bird Chronicles. And I did not feel like redoing the video. And besides, you can't redo a box opening and keep it generic anyway. So I just jumped in to fix it. And also, if you really like nature journaling, you want to get into nature journaling, I love nature journaling. Eventually I want to do that. But if you want to get into nature journaling, this book is perfect. This book is amazing. So I just had to come in and correct my mistake, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, thank you for watching.